Alright, I know it's terrible lighting, and this is a weird-ass fucking video just off the title, but today we're going to the fucking casino. My homie's trying to drop like $300, apparently. I'm not really too sure what he's going to play yet, and he doesn't even know I want to film it, but if he's going to drop that much, I want to see what's going to happen. I want to see if it's going to go up or down, what's going to happen, you know what I mean? And while he does that, I'm going to keep getting faded, and I'm going to bring you guys with me, because why the fuck not? I have a 2G pen with me. It's a dope disposable. It's a brand from out here. That's probably really blurry. Oh no, there you go. But yeah. Oh, he's sliding back. Alright, quick bevy stop. We got the mango juice. We got the Dubai chocolate. Now we can go to the casino and watch this motherfucker spend some fucking money.
Yo, let's get rich. Let's get rich.
You got that. Alright, so we'll get back to you guys once we're inside.
We're smoking. Alright. Right now we're smoking, I think it's triple kush or some shit. Triple kush or some shit. I don't know, I forget what it is. Oh god, I forget what it is. This shit, it gets me straight, but it only gets me started. After this, we will be going to this guy's house, okay? Dabs on dabs on dabs on dabs on dabs on dabs on dabs. You know what's up. We're getting lit. And we're at the Chino right now. It's time to make some fucking money. I'm telling you, let's make some bread. I'm gonna start singing for you. Let's make some money. It's going straight onto red. It's going straight onto red.
How much you putting on red?
A milli. How much more we putting on red? 2 million? 4 million on black?
Show us the guap.
There's no
gambling.
Hold on. There's only 50s and 20s right now, but this is about to be exponentially bigger.
Okay, hold on. Wait, let us see.
20?
Okay.
50, 100. All right, listen, this is how you make this is how you make 120 disappear quick. You bitch it! You're dead! You're dead!
Bro, what the fuck am I winning?
You know Tyler and all that.
Okay, it's up a little bit more. A little bit more.
Progress.
We started with 50. I had to give an extra 50 out. But now we got it back plus some. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Now we're Gucci. And this guy took his 20 back, so I'm actually down 20.
Actually, that's what it's for UTI prevention. So right now, all the women are drinking like in the of September. It's so easy to catch me.
Can I ask you a favor? I'm gonna need to feel the music. Can I hit that shit?
Take that. You got that. Can you do a blinker? You definitely can. 3, 4. Oh no, you let go. 1. Oh no, you let go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Maybe that let go.
You let go of the button 3 times.
Because you have to like hold it.
You gotta do it. You gotta hold it harder. 6 seconds. Oh.
Hits, bro. I'm up like 50.
Alright, so there's 1,900 riding on this game right now.
Let's fucking go.
Basically, Canucks gotta score another goal right now.
Big defensive plays, block shots all day.
They're blocking hella shots. There's 2 minutes and 22 left. Let's see if they get it. If they do, they're both gonna be up almost 2K. Kind of crazy. They're just kind of posting up from the table games now and getting some drinks because they already made guap. We all kind of already made guap. Not gonna lie. But yeah, we'll see if this hits. I have to be low key with the filming though because they're not really chill about it in here.
Yeah, Go Vancouver, guys. Go Vancouver. Let's go.
An all-inclusive fucking drink.
Oilers just scored. Vancouver's basically done up.
It's over.
They got fucked. It's fucked. Sports betting. And just like that, they're gone.
It's good.
Alright, bet.
Yeah.
Alright, so hear me out. Not gonna lie, we just went all the fuck in on that shit. It paid out. I'm up 200
All
on the
day, every day, all day, every day, all day, every day.
700.
All day, every day. Catch my
Like,
side.
we are chilling. I told you already make money. Let's make some money.
This guy's fucking printing money, bro. I made 100 bones easy. They made like over a band. That's just crazy, fam. What the fuck? I'm gonna check back in with you guys in the parking lot. Bro, I don't think we parked this way. Oh, yeah. Alright, hold on. Bop. Tata Mikeyana. Holy fuck. What's this one? Is it the same unknown one?
It's a dream.
Indica, eh? Is it Indica house?
Am I on camera?
No, you're not. I actually never.
All good.
Little 180 fat.
Ling, ling, ling.
What am I looking at right now?
We're looking at the fucking
180 right there?
Ducks. So it's
I
not
did
all
just
good.
hit?
So you gotta.
Damn. Alright, so I guess night is successful. I'm gonna bring you guys back out if other shit happens. I guess we're just posting up. Damn, bro. Hold on.
Okay, let me try. Hold on.
Sideways.
Yo, wait, money?
You know who's also got a fat ass? Hamdi, bro. That's going sideways.
Let's take this back.
Shit, that's going sideways.
I mean, you're sober, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you think about the evening?
Hey, not too shabby.
Motherfuckers made
Just another
money.
night. Yeah. Motherfuckers printed. That's good, you know. Me personally, you know, I didn't gamble.
Lemon used to go demon time when it was gambling time.
Back in the days. Unfortunately, that's not me anymore. So, yes, sir. I'm just happy to see another day.
He's having a fun time just being here.
Exactly. Thank you.
So real. Damn. Yeah, so basically, last night was fucking crazy. We all made money. My friend made about 300. His friend made about 500. I made about like 150. But either way, it was fun as hell. I wish I could have gotten more of the actual like playing on the tables for y'all, but they were not allowing that. That was not gonna happen. So I got as much as I could for you guys. I hope you guys could see how hyped the motherfuckers were. They definitely were, bro. They were running around like crazy. But yeah, pretty much we just ended up getting some drinks and vibing for the rest of the night. It's getting windy out of nowhere, but I hope y'all enjoyed that shit. It was a blast to make. I had some fun with the homies. I know the homies had a good time. But yeah, I was glad to bring you guys along. And there's gonna be more videos coming soon, so stay up to date. One time.